Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Haugen. Today we're going to work on lesson 4 application problem. So be sure that you have your white math packet in front of you, open to lesson 4, and a pencil and an eraser. We're going to go ahead and start by reading the story at the top. So it says, "The flowers are blooming in Maria's garden. There are 3 roses, 3 buttercups, 3 sunflowers, 3 daisies, and 3 tulips." And the question is, how many flowers are there in all? That's our question that we want to answer. So they give us an A and a B. Looks like this isn't supposed to be there, huh? So we have letter A says, draw a tape diagram to match the problem. Well, first we need to figure out what number is repeating here. When I look back at the story, I see a 3, a 3, a 3, a 3, and a 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 threes. So we'll draw that. Go ahead and do that on yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I drew 5 threes, and well, that is not okay. Let's fix that, Mrs. Haugen. Let's try that again. Let's not make it quite so messy this time. So go ahead and make sure you're finishing your tape diagram. There we go. So I'm going to double check to see that I have this correct. I've got 3's repeating, so that's good. And when I look at the story, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number that repeated was the 3. So when I look down here at B, it says, write a repeated addition sentence to solve. So I'm simply going to write the 3's out, and this time I'm just going to put the little addition in between them. Make sure I have 5 3's. Go ahead and do this addition on your packet. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So to solve this, I think I'm going to go back up to my tape diagram and do some combining the add-ins. So I can do 3 plus 3 plus 3 quickly. So I know 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. I know these two are 6. So to find my total, I can combine those and figure out that 9 plus 6 is 15. So that's all this is asking you to do. But again, if you want to take this one step farther into multiplication, you can think about your groups here. So I can see that I have 5 groups of 3. And that's how I start my multiplication problem. So my multiplication problem would be 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 groups of 3 is the same as 5 times 3. All right. I hope that went well for you. Talk to you soon.